Hi Aquarians, welcome back to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. Let's start with your reading, and this is going to be right from 17th of August 2021 and beyond. Okay. Also follow me on Instagram SSHELLSSA Shells Running. Let's start with the reading. Hello, hello, my love. Okay, I'm getting the vibe of like you're on the bridge. Maybe some of you are exactly. I don't know. Maybe you're taking just, you pulling your car somewhere or your bike or whatever, and maybe you're just walking and you're just on the bridge and you're just having great view from there. Okay, but as in symbolism here, I see like someone is on the bridge, looking here and there, and is kind of like making moves for future, like some kind of proceedings in your life. This has to do with something because you were looking, and I heard the word preparations for someone or preparations for something in your life, which is again the energy of like moving forward, making certain move, which is plus point. Okay, you have Six of Wands energy, and here it's just something that you've been planning on, but possible you're not making that move. But again, you are strolling there. That doesn't mean that you've cancelled it. Okay, you're not canceling your plans, you're not doing that stuff. It is about your major comeback in something or major move. I'm also getting the vibe of like shooting. Okay, some kind of movie, something, or series or act or something, photo shoot, something is happening there. I kind of feel that I cannot see people around there, but I just see you, kind of whoever you is, because someone was like, this is the bridge, and someone was like moving here, then looking outside. So I don't know which city, which country, which place is this, but at least I know that you're making a big move. So maybe some of you are making a comeback. So maybe after the pause, you're making the comeback. Maybe you return to your city or country, however it fits you, and you're making a comeback. This is also, okay, home, home, home. I'm also hearing 3 times home, home, home. So possible with the home cube. This is some place you're coming back, okay? So maybe you've grown there, you've done your studies there, possible, and you then shifted, but then you're coming back. Maybe you live in some other country, and now you're returning back to your country. However this fits you, because situations are also changing around, possible that is why the energy is shifting. This has to do something where some of you are going via like highway and all that, and you're pulling over your car and then resting a little bit and then looking at final view to that city, possible, and then making a move. If it fits you, I don't know, okay, but I hope that it fits you. So you people are just not taking hold anymore. Okay, it is something connected with your big moves, comebacks, major movements, journeys here. Not canceling it, rather I feel like you people are changing the plan of that. If you were going via flight, you're just canceling it, and then taking other source and making the move. So you're not canceling it, you are choosing the options to make that move, because you, however, will make that move. For some I told you 10 of Cups energy, so it's all homecoming, and home, home, home is like assurance of something that I have this in mind and I'm going to do it. Some of you are planning on buying home, and you people are going to end up buying that. Maybe by the end of August. So home, home, home. So maybe you've been planning this from last 3 years or so. I don't know. I know. Maybe. Okay, they're giving me that vibe because home, cube. So 3 is connected with you, very important. Okay, maybe there are 3 energies very important to you, and then you're returning to them. Now, fits that. Okay, what are you trying to do with this? What are you trying to do? Yes, something is very important to you. Who? It's like, okay, I'm getting this vibe of like, ho. I did one of the readings, and that was like Jingle Bells, Emperor Awakened, okay? And I said that if it fits you, and if something happens around that Christmas time and all that stuff, I feel like, you need not to happen, you need not to get into the vibe of it's going to just happen on 25th. No, it's going to happen around that area or season. some things, because it's all fresh, it's all happy, okay? I feel this ho-ho is maybe love coming in your life. This is like a sweet present in your life, okay? You not expecting it, it's going to come. And it's like, oh no, and then it is. Well, in this time frame, as I said, you were looking, okay? So maybe someone is following you there, and they're going to catch up with you on this drive, and maybe that's the common point there. Now, you're on the bridge, you're waiting for them, and then they are coming, and then you people go together. Maybe in just one car, maybe in just one thing, or different. It depends. But it is the let's catch up there. Again, this may be the person who really, really adores you. They care for you actually, and they love you from the core of their heart. Someone who is having concern for you. Okay, now this is someone who is assuring you of something, that if I said that, and I'm going to come. If I said this, I'm going to try. I'm not giving up on this, okay? Now again, this may be your own energy of feeling loved in this time frame. You people are, it's not important that every time someone is there or not, okay? Some of you might be having children, okay? So with this is someone who is younger, possible your mother, possible your father, possible this is your child, okay? So this may be for some cases a male energy who is very loving, very caring, and they just support you to the core, and they love you no matter what, okay? That kind of love is no matter what, I love you. However, this is your own energy. You're very concerning, you're very loving, and you have warmth, and this is kind of energy you might have evolved into this also to some extent, because when you got hurt possible in the past and to the extremes of for years, you turned into this person, okay? It depends. Some people start hurting others. It depends, and it has nothing to do with being an Aquarius or a Virgo or a Taurus, okay? It has to do with the person's some features as well, like what is that you want to do with that. If you got experience, if you got hurt, then do you really want to hurt others, or you want to make them strong? You want to pull them out of the potholes or whatever it is. This is your energy of Page of Cups energy. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces might be involved. Now this is also the energy of response, okay? I feel someone is very responsible here, but I also get this vibe of someone's response to you is coming, and even without asking, I feel like asking them, but this message is coming. Where are you? Just pull over, I'm coming, okay? Now that kind of energy is definitely, maybe you're going to receive a call while you're in the mid of like walking, you're making a move in the car, whatever it is, you are receiving certain message here. And if you're not moving anywhere, this energy is coming as in symbolism that you have certain situation in your life, you're enjoying the view of your life, and you are preparing something, okay? So preparations of warm welcome, or preparations of someone's visit, or they're talking to you. Wow. Unexpected arrival of love, Ace of Hearts, and you don't know whether you will be in the position to accept it, because you don't know, because you have line that you're drawn. Why? I don't want to get hurt, of course, that's okay, but still some things, and most of the things we don't decide. We can chalk out a plan, we can do the stuff what we want, but when it is the startup and it is unexpected, it's like the Tower moment, right? Oh my God, I love you, baby. Oh my God. Oh, okay, so you might not be ready, or it's just not planned. 7 of Wands energy. 7 is curious. They want to talk with you. It's like, I don't know, but they want to talk. 0909 recording time. 8 of Wands is your possible sudden trip, sudden travel, sudden visit, sudden talk, sudden messages, and just not one, it is a lot. And they're not stopping sending you the messages because they want to talk. I know, they know, you know. It's like, I know while I'm telling you that they know, and you know that why we stopped, okay? However, 8 of Wands is coming in the present call, which is important for you, because I see lovely talk, because I see lovely conversation, but it is, at least from this person's side, I feel that they're sending those things to you. However, you can enjoy it if you want. It's your life. Let's see. You're concerned. You're concerned because you're overthinking about this. Don't overthink. Don't overthink, because this person does want to talk. Now, if you don't want to talk, I don't want to talk, then yeah, that's your decision. You've already blocked the door, like you're not opening that. Don't open. But I feel that this is a desire and to some extent desperation of this person as well to talk to you. Eight of Swords is something that is coming in the future, because I saw like you are making a walk here, like from here and there, crossing on the bridge, which is about, what should I do? What should I do? Because Eight of Swords energy is like, I know the way, but what should I do? Because you're too much in the mind. Okay, let's see what's beyond Eight of Swords. So you know you want to, but your Joker is reversed, and my Joker is dare. It's like dare to begin, but why you are not daring? Okay, or maybe this is the energy of like, how dare you? How dare you? Okay, possible. Look at this Joker. This is beautiful Joker, but it's like you don't know what to react, and so it's like a smile. Yeah, that kind of. It's not even natural. I don't see it's a natural smile, because if Joker would smile in their own natural aura, they'll smile different. If this is a makeup on, so something is a makeup on. Okay, so I feel like you exactly don't want something, or you might be feeling like okay, I will, but you're not totally ready for something. Maybe to many of you this will sound confusing, because that kind of energy is here. Of course, the Joker is playing, like someone is playing here hard to talk to. If this is your vibe of like you're not letting the energy, then this is like someone who is getting upset and drained as well to some extent in their own life. Okay, too much in head. What's beyond? It's going to be the trial, how the play will go on. Look, Six of Cups energy. Now here I can say, and recording time was 12:12. Maybe the Six of Cups is someone from the past sending message, wanting to talk. Now how does it work here? Expectations versus reality. But this energy, it's like someone is possible, not pressurizing, but exactly when we are unable to make decision here, and they are saying that I want to meet you, I want to talk. So this may be the talk of like, let's meet, and you're like I'll tell you. And I feel like these two cards are giving me the energy of like excuses. Why? Making up for something. Why? Because I don't want to meet you. I don't, because I'm not ready. Okay, so maybe someone's is peeping from the past, and because something went not so right with the person, Five of Wands. Okay, so you do not agree with this person. With the Six of Swords, look again, there's a travel, there's a trip. There may be someone who's sending you a message, talk, wanting to talk, or first they want permission, of course, because something happened back then. But with the Six of Swords energy, it's also your travel, your move, and I saw the bridge, and maybe the car, maybe bike, whatever. And you're while making those, taking a stroll there, like here and there, like a pendulum. That kind of energy is quite like, it's about preparations, but then again something is like, maybe you need to pick up someone from there, or maybe someone is coming to pick you up, and that kind of energy was like, what's going to happen? Like, it's like, doing like this. So it's a little bit of nervousness. Maybe that person is having a you. With the Six of Cups, yes, definitely this energy is telling me that. What? Oh, just Cinderella just needed that. What? Cinderella needed just shoes, honey, and a nice dress. Oh, she never asked for the prince, but she caught. So that kind of energy of unexpected. Oh, I never asked for that. Wow, this was at the bottom when I started shuffling, and you have the moon, and I felt this. Just look at this carriage. It's exactly the pumpkin and the horses. Oh my God, the Cinderella love story. I want to meet you here. So again, I remember the song Hello. Okay, with the moon there may be Piscean, but with the moon something will be unleashed. Okay, the midnight call, midnight talk. Someone is desperate to talk to you, they want to visit you, and you have to return. Or maybe this is something, oh my god, strolling here and there, and then what to do, what I should do. Eight of Cups energy, because you are moving away, or you moved away, moved on in life. Distancing was so difficult. Number 8 is very important again for you. So 8 this August month, okay? August month is so important. 3 times 8 you are having. Certain revelations, illusions will be going away, the reality check. And I talked about how Joker, who is playing that role, will be in real life when they're not applying any makeup on top of that, like the mask. Okay, so when there is no mask and the reality is there, then what someone is having in their heart or mind exactly, that's the revelation here. Okay, what are they trying to say? It's a Cinderella story. I'm on my shoe, stiletto, glass stiletto, oh yeah, oh wow, and then I'm going to go and have fun in the city. Okay, visit. Okay, so let me see what do we have from Oceanic Tarot. You will be heard. You know, there's a gossip, rumor. Oh my god. Gossip. Page of Swords energy. This was at the bottom when I started. Okay, and this is your energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius vibe. But this is also gossip. It's something that is going to start, something that you're going to hear. And with the Lovers, choices, decisions, harmony, lover coming. Possible. Most possible. I don't want to. I mean, this is going to be difficult here not to think such situation, whether for you, whether for this person. Okay, 4 of Wands. Something is going, you're going to get something. You're going to get something when I said, and you have Wow card, because you have something that you are unleashing with whole strength here. Look, stability is coming. But this card was on my thumb, which is appropriate. You started your reading with Jack of Hearts, Page of Cups energy. And you have Page of Cups energy, again, imagination. Love starts. Imagination starts. And it all starts with imagination. And then we do the law of attraction. And many things go just like that, because it's universe planning, right? Oh, I just asked for it and it is coming. Whoa. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.